It's still like pretty close to.
Hi everyone, so today we're doing the Mount Juliet walk. It's a 4.5k out and back hike in the middle of the Yarra Ranges. So Mount Juliet, about a 900 metre ascent over 3 kilometres, with a big portion of that ascent happening right towards the last K. Reached trailhead, 3 kilometres from this point. So from here we're going single track all the way to the top. For every hike, never leave home without my Horizon Performance Tee. Performance mesh. Super breathable. If you're like me, I mean, I run hot almost always, whether it's snow hiking or even rain. If you're set up properly, it's good to have a quick, dry, breathable performance tee. But yeah, we make men's and women's. Yeah, if you want to support the channel, support Horizon, check them out. At the moment, the terrain is pretty steady going up. I've reached 2.5k out of the 4.5. The gradient for now, yeah, it's not that horrible. Still hasn't hit its steepest point yet, but we are getting there. We're coming into the last 600 meters. Still have about 400 elevation gain to go, so it's about to get steep as all hell. Oh, yeah. Slippery. Still seriously steep here. Wetting, sweating like crazy. Oh, but yeah, it's definitely a nice area. But coming into what looks like the canopy opening up, which means we are pretty much on the top. Alright, got to the top. Mount Juliet, part of the Yarra Ranges, boasts one of Victoria's original trigonometric cairns from the Geodetic Survey. The summit walk is renowned for its difficulty, making it one of the most challenging hikes in the region. Not that good, but still, it's comfy. Alright, about to head my way down. Yeah, so at the top, I mean, you have the cauldron signifying the top of Mount Juliet. And it's great to be in this type of natural environment. There isn't too much in terms of a view at the end, just about being immersed in it. And the challenge of the climb. I'll chuck you guys on my head soon. I'm gonna need 2 hands on my way down. Yeah, it gets pretty damn slick. And you got a lot of stuff trying to trip you up. So 2 hands are required for balance. Grab onto whatever you can, because it's a heck of a ride. A pair of Firebirds squeaking their ass off. Holy crap! Everything is so slick. Like slime, down I go. Foot just takes off. I don't even need to step. I'm just going straight down. Just accelerate. I think I may have just gotten through the steepest section. Or at least pretty close to. Oh crap. The rock and the logs here are just next level. They're so slippery, it's literally like ice. Yeah, you definitely understand the steepness after you're coming down. Because technically it's probably way more difficult coming down than it is up. Seemingly got all the spiders up, and now they've had time to rebuild them, getting all the spider webs down. So we finished the single track aspect of the hike, and now it's just here the easy management track walk back to the car. It takes about 4.5 hours. I was with filming, so thanks for joining us on this hike to Mount Juliet. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below, and follow me on my socials at Explore Horizon Oz. See you on the next adventure.